దేశమును ప్రేమించుమన్నా మంచి అన్నది పెంచుమన్నా ఒట్టి మాటలు గట్టి పెట్టోయ్ గట్టి మేలు తలపెట్టబోయ్. సో వాట్ we should do so much for the nation in order to make many people together. So during the olden days, many people from Europe and from Australia, they used to do many building of constructions. So there were so many civil engineers during that time only. So but later on, what happened, the importing and exporting has become more expensive. So the European people has to come to India to buy the spices and they have to go. So what happened slowly, then our business has been increased in India. So later on, so how we are building up our nation? So we are collecting all the group of people together in different areas. So that is the statement. They literally build the nation. So now let us read this reading C from the textbook. Civil engineering is one of the oldest disciplines of the engineering. So it involves the design, the construction and the management of infrastructure, highways, railways, airports, harbors, bridges, tunnels, ensuring the supply of high quality water among others. And hence the term is used in very broad sense. So it may not be an exaggeration to state that almost every major project has a contribution from a civil engineer. The role of civil engineer has been continuously changing. Earlier, engineers would focus their efforts on the production of site. So plans, cracks of drawings, turn out them. So what the civil engineers do, children? They will do the construction of bridges, tunnels, many more. What they will not do. So but the civil engineers will make up a good plan first, then what to do build and what not to build. So in the plan itself only they will decide. So they will do exaggeration in the sense of an overstatement. So here the word exaggeration is an overstatement. Development of the landscape today requires thoughtful planning and understanding of regulations, permit requirements and more stringent and more numerous schedules are constrained and owners are mindful for their expenditures. Civil engineers today are expected to stay with the clients and guide them through the approval and construction process while offering the strategy, advice and their experience. Yes, so the civil engineers will be with their clients. So while doing the construction only, on the basis, children keep quiet. Everybody keep quiet. Listen to the story carefully. Don't make noise. So here the civil engineers are multi-phase, taking on the roles and responsibilities that are varied. So environmental civil engineers focus on all-round development of design and construction skill of working in harmony with nature. With the focus on the environmental issues such as wastewater and sewage disposal, engineers operate as the guardians of nature. Structural engineers are responsible for design of buildings, offshore oil platforms, etc. High engineers are responsible for design of traffic flow planning, geometry, design, etc. So from your textbook you can see in the picture. So there are different kind of civil engineers for different kind of activities. So we will have environmental civil engineers and we have. So they are multi-phased. We have structural engineers and we have general superintendent and construction superintendents, and there will be a construction managers who will evaluate and determine the appropriate construction methods and most cost-effective plan and schedule. So when designing a building, first thing is what? We will plan for the cost and the schedule. So when to construct, what to construct on the basis of the material and the cost. Okay. So the construction managers regularly review engineering and architectural drawing and specifications to monitor the progress and ensure the compliance with plans and schedules. So and thus it would be advisable for the students to undergo the practical industry experience through internships, cooperative education programs or work experience in the industry. Another key discipline is a quantity surveying. So technical skills acquired in areas of estimating, costing, specification, together with a good knowledge of various procurement, routes, tendering procedure and contracting essentials make quantity surveys an inseparable part of the construction industry. So job opportunities exist in the design offices, consulting firms, government such as municipalities, environmental agency as well as with the contracting firms. So this is written by S.S. Rao. So this is all about the different constructions of the engineers, and we can say that how the civil engineers will guide the client, and so what are the challenging tasks that civil engineers will do. So all this is there in this about this the literally build a nation. So it's all about the civil engineers. It's all about the civil engineers. So civil engineers are, first they will make a plan, then they will schedule. So after planning and scheduling, they will be with the clients during the construction. So there are different kinds of engineers: environmental engineers, structural engineers. So environmental engineers will be taking what? They will taking care of the environmental waste, sewage plants and etc. And the structural engineers, they will be used for helping the construction of dams, tunnels and etc. So here we will wind up the class today, children. Thank you.